This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Zen on PS5. First, ensure you have your Zen device, a micro USB cable, a USB-C to USB-A cable, and your PlayStation 5 console ready. This initial setup is crucial for establishing the proper communication link between your accessories and the console. We will walk through each step, making the process straightforward and easy to follow for everyone involved. Before connecting, it is essential to update your Zen device to its latest firmware version. Download and install the Zen Studio software on your computer. Use the micro USB cable to connect Zen to your PC, then follow the on-screen prompts within Zen Studio to perform the firmware update. This ensures compatibility and optimal performance with your PlayStation 5 system, preventing common connectivity issues. Now, let's connect Zen to your PlayStation 5 console. Plug one end of the USB-C to USB-A cable into the A3 port on your Zen device. Connect the other USB-A end of that cable into a USB port on the front of your PlayStation 5. Ensure these connections are firm and secure. A loose cable can cause connection interruptions or complete failure, so double-check each attachment. Next, you need to authenticate your PlayStation 5 controller with the Zen. Connect an official, fully charged PlayStation 5 DualSense controller directly into the A1 port on your Zen using a standard USB cable. This authenticates the console communication through the Zen device. Once connected, the Zen's display will confirm the successful authentication, allowing you to proceed with your setup seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.